Every time a user visits your application, your backend typically fetches data from a traditional relational database. These databases store data on physical disks or solid-state drives. While they are incredibly reliable for long-term storage, reading data from a disk involves mechanical or hardware latency. As your traffic scales to thousands of concurrent users, making the same repetitive queries to the disk over and over creates a massive bottleneck. Your application slows down, server CPU spikes, and user experience drops. What if you could store frequently accessed data somewhere that responds instantly? This is where Redis comes in. Redis stands for Remote Dictionary Server. It is an open-source, advanced key-value store, often referred to as a data structure server. The core secret to Redis's blazing speed is simple. Unlike traditional databases that live on the disk, Redis keeps all its data entirely in the system's random access memory, or RAM. Because reading from RAM is orders of magnitude faster than reading from a disk, Redis can handle hundreds of thousands of operations per second with sub-millisecond latency. It acts as an ultra-fast caching layer sitting right in front of your primary database. Let's look at a practical, real-world example of how this works in code. Imagine a user profiles page. First, our application requests the profile data from Redis using a unique key, like user:profile:101. If the data exists, which we call a cache hit, Redis returns it immediately, bypassing the main database entirely. If the data isn't there, a cache miss, the application falls back to the traditional database to perform the heavy query. But right after retrieving it, the application saves that result into Redis. The next time that user or any system component requests this profile, it's served instantly out of memory. But wait, RAM is expensive and volatile. We can't store everything there forever. Redis handles this beautifully using a feature called TTL, or time to live. You can assign an expiration time to any key. Once the timer runs out, Redis automatically deletes the data, freeing up your memory. This makes it perfect for managing user sessions, verification codes, or temporary shopping carts. Furthermore, Redis isn't just limited to simple strings. It natively supports complex data structures like lists for message queues, sets for unique tracking, and hashes to store full object profiles cleanly. By offloading heavy read operations to an in-memory layer, Redis reduces the load on your primary database, drops your application response time significantly, and allows your infrastructure to scale seamlessly. Whether you are building a small API or a massive enterprise platform, integrating Redis is one of the most effective upgrades you can give your tech stack. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more deep dive tech tutorials.